There have been many studies performed on meditation in the last decade trying to understand its effects, as well as how it manages to help us so much, both in mind and body. Research into meditation has demonstrated that meditating for a short time increases alpha waves, which makes us feel more relaxed, while simultaneously decreasing our feelings of anxiety and depression. Alpha waves flow through cells in the brain's cortex, where we process sensory information. These waves help suppress irrelevant or distracting sensory information, allowing us to focus. The more alpha waves we have, the better we focus. Meditation has many health benefits. Interestingly, an increased ability to focus allows those who suffer from chronic pain to ease their pain by choosing not to focus on it. It can also help with various other health problems, including anxiety, depression, stress, insomnia, HIV/AIDS, and cancer. It can also enhance the body's immune system, making us less likely to get sick. Meditation benefits our minds as well. It teaches us to better control our thoughts. This gives us the ability to quiet those nagging negative thoughts we may have from time to time. Through meditation, we gain better concentration, spontaneity, and creativity, happiness, and peace of mind. Actors experience the effects of meditation on creativity firsthand during acting classes.
Whenever they make use of their creative impulses, they first meditate.
It may seem odd at first, but the results are amazing. Creativity floods to the surface once the mind is cleared of clutter. Finally, meditation can help us to discover our purpose in life. By turning our attention inwards and focusing purely on our own being for long periods of time, meditation can help us gain a new perspective at life, unhindered by our own egoistic perspective. If you want to ask the very philosophical question, who am I? There is no better way than through meditation. Enough, though, about the many benefits of meditation. There are many other websites that describe meditation and how it can help you. Let's start learning how to do it. 15-Minute Manifestation by Eddie Sergey is designed to control the mind activities in times of stress and disorders. 15-Minute Manifestation Strategy is considered to be the most effective manifestation tool that is aimed at transforming your current circumstances for your dream life. By simply enhancing the working of your mind, 15-Minute Manifestation Program increases the overall thought processes and thus raising the living conditions. Click the link below in video description to learn more.